Today we are going to be making coffee, and while many use the Keurig, which is actually bad for the environment, we're going to be using the standard coffee maker.
So what you're going to need to make coffee is a large cup for the water, a coffee filter, 1/2 measuring cup for the coffee, this is called caramel fudge brownie, a mug, creamer, and a spoon to mix the coffee and creamer. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to make coffee is a large cup, and today I'm going to make 10 cups of coffee, so we're going to have to fill it up twice.
When doing this, make sure you fill the cup up to the very top in order to get as much water as possible. Now we're going to be pouring the water into the coffee maker, and remember to do this a total of 2 times in order to get the maximum amount of coffee. You want to get 2 full cups of water so that you can make 10 cups of coffee with the 1/2 measuring cup. Once again, pour it into the coffee maker until you reach the 10 cup mark on the side of the coffee maker.
So the next thing you're going to need in this process is the coffee filter.
Now you're going to need to put the coffee filter into the coffee maker.
So once you have your coffee, you're going to want to pour it into the filter.
Once you've poured your coffee into the filter, go ahead and close the top and press start.
So while some people drink their coffee black, I drink my coffee with creamer. It's called French vanilla creamer.